Imagine standing before one of the greatest wonders of the ancient world, the Pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures have stood the test of time, guarding their secrets for over 4,500 years. But what if I told you that recent discoveries have unveiled mind-blowing details about how they were built, their hidden chambers, and even their cosmic connections? In this video, we will take you deep inside the mysteries of the pyramids, revealing groundbreaking research, astonishing theories, and some surprising facts you never knew. Stay till the end for an exclusive bonus tip that will completely change how you view these ancient marvels. The astonishing scale and precision of the pyramids. To truly grasp the magnitude of the Pyramids of Giza, consider this: each stone block weighs between 2.5 and 15 tons, and the Great Pyramid alone consists of around 2.3 million of these blocks. That's a total weight of nearly 6.5 million tons. The precision with which they were built is so extraordinary that modern engineers still struggle to comprehend how the ancient Egyptians achieved such accuracy. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with true north, with an error margin of just 0.05 degrees. Many have speculated that only advanced mathematics, engineering skills, and possibly even lost technologies could explain this level of precision. But recent discoveries have added even more layers to this mystery. 1. The hidden chamber discovery. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent years was made in 2023, when an international team of scientists used cosmic ray imaging technology to uncover a previously unknown hidden chamber inside the Great Pyramid. This void, located just above the Grand Gallery, is about 30 feet long and may hold clues to how the pyramid was constructed. This finding suggests that there may be more hidden passages and chambers within the pyramid yet to be discovered. Could these chambers contain ancient texts, treasures, or even secrets about the lost civilization that built them? Researchers are now developing new methods to explore these spaces without causing damage to the pyramid's structure. Theories of pyramid construction. The debate over how the pyramids were built continues to spark controversy. The traditional belief is that laborers used massive ramps to transport the heavy stone blocks up the pyramid. However, some researchers challenge this theory, arguing that building a ramp long and strong enough to support such loads would have required more materials than the pyramid itself. One of the more recent theories suggests that the stones were transported using a water-based system. A 2022 study found evidence that the ancient Egyptians may have utilized the now dried-up Khufu branch of the Nile River to transport stones closer to the construction site. This could explain how they managed to move such massive blocks with remarkable efficiency. 2. The pyramid's connection to the stars. The pyramids were not just tombs, they were astronomical masterpieces. In 2023, a study published in the Journal of Archaeological Science revealed that the shafts inside the Great Pyramid align almost perfectly with specific stars that were significant in ancient Egyptian mythology. The southern shaft of the king's chamber points toward Orion's belt, which was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The northern shaft aligns with the star Thuban, which was the North Star during the time of the pyramid's construction. This suggests that the ancient Egyptians designed the pyramids not only as resting places for their pharaohs, but also as celestial portals guiding their souls to the afterlife. The mystery of the pyramid's original appearance. Did you know that the pyramids didn't always look like the weathered, sandy-colored structures we see today? Originally, they were covered in smooth, white Tura limestone that reflected sunlight so brilliantly they would have been visible for miles, even at night under the moonlight. Some reports suggest that the Great Pyramid shone so brightly in ancient times that it was known as the Shining Pyramid. Over the centuries, these outer casing stones were stripped away for use in later construction projects, leaving behind the rough core we see today. 3. The pyramid's internal temperature mystery. In 2024, a groundbreaking study uncovered another baffling mystery despite Egypt's scorching heat. The temperature inside the Great Pyramid remains constant at around 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists still don't fully understand how this natural cooling system works, but some believe it has to do with the pyramid's geometric design and the strategic placement of its internal chambers. This discovery has inspired modern architects to explore ancient Egyptian engineering techniques for sustainable cooling solutions in contemporary buildings. Theories of advanced knowledge and lost technology. Could the ancient Egyptians have possessed knowledge that we have lost today? Some alternative researchers argue that the precision of the pyramids suggests the use of advanced tools or even lost, technologies. Others propose that the ancient builders may have harnessed sound frequencies or anti-gravity techniques to lift the heavy stone blocks. While mainstream Egyptologists reject these ideas, the debate continues to fuel curiosity worldwide. The curse of the pharaohs, myth or reality? No discussion of the pyramids would be complete without mentioning the infamous curse of the pharaohs. While many believe this to be mere superstition, there have been strange occurrences linked to those who have disturbed the tombs. One of the most famous cases was the mysterious deaths of several members of the team that opened King Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922. Modern scientists explain these incidents as the result of ancient bacteria, fungi, or toxins that had been sealed inside the tombs for millennia. Still, the idea of an ancient curse adds an eerie layer to the pyramid's mystique. Bonus tip: how to experience the pyramids like never before. If you ever get the chance to visit the Pyramids of Giza, here's a special tip: visit during sunrise or sunset. Not only will you avoid the massive crowds, but you'll also witness the pyramids bathed in golden light, creating an almost magical atmosphere. For an even more extraordinary experience, book a camel ride or a hot air balloon tour for a breathtaking aerial view of these ancient marvels. The Pyramids of Giza continue to captivate and mystify us, even in the modern age. With new discoveries being made every year, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Whether they were built as tombs, astronomical guides, or something beyond our understanding. One thing is certain: the pyramids stand as a testament to the incredible ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians. So, what do you think? Were the pyramids built solely by human hands, or is there a deeper mystery behind their construction? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the secrets of the pyramids, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing historical discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.